In English language, we usually express a wish for something with I wish. For example, Mike goes to work by subway. His colleagues have cars. So he thinks, I wish I had a car too. Think of it as present unreal condition. We wish for something that is not real. In present and real condition, we use simple past. The same here. Mike doesn't have a car, so he imagines he has a car. Now in present, he wishes he had a car now. Let's see another example. Kali wants to see her husband more often, but she can't because he spends a lot of time at work. So she thinks, I wish I could see my husband more often. Again, simple past tense. I could see, which describes unreal imaginary reality, which does not exist. Kali can't see her husband very often, but she wishes she could see him more often. One more example. Jack works on Wall Street, and he lives in New Jersey. He wants to live in Manhattan. So he thinks, I wish I lived in Manhattan. Again, simple past. After I wish means unreal imaginary present, which doesn't exist. Jack in reality lives in New Jersey, but he wishes he lived in Manhattan. Okay, that's it for now. Stay tuned for another Sowing Seedz grammar lesson.